In this video, we will discuss unknown facts about human body. Your mouth produces about 1 liter of saliva each day. Your brain is sometimes more active when you are asleep than when you are awake. Bodies give off a tiny amount of light that's too weak for the eye to see. You lose about 4 kg of skin cells every year. Babies don't shed tears until they are at least 1 month old. Information zooms along nerves at about 400 km per hour. The human heart beats more than 3 billion times in an average lifespan. Your left lung is about 10% smaller than your right one. Human teeth are just as strong as shark teeth. Scientists estimate that the nose can recognize a trillion different scents. Your blood makes up about 8% of your body weight. Between birth and death, the human body goes for having 300 bones to just 206. When you blush, the inside of your stomach does too. Your brain can survive for 5 to 10 minutes without oxygen. In cases of extreme starvation, the brain will begin to eat itself. When listening to music, your heartbeat will sync with the rhythm. The small intestine is roughly 23 feet long. 1/4 of your bones are in your feet. Every organ you have 2 of. You only need 1 of to survive. You are taller in the morning than you are at night. Your ears and your nose never stop growing. Stomach acid can dissolve metal. If it touched your skin, it would burn right through it. The average person produces enough saliva in their lifetime to fill 2 swimming pools. Tongue prints are as unique as fingerprints. Babies only blink once or twice a minute, while adults average 10 times a minute. The jaw muscle is the strongest in the human body. While awake, your brain produces enough electricity to light a light bulb. In camera terms, the human eye is about 576 megapixels. 50% of your hand strength comes from your pinky finger. And here is the end of my video. Thank you for watching.